Hello everybody, today I'm gonna share with you the deal I got from Target. This is the Logitech RGB gaming keyboard. I got this at Target on clearance. It was first time I saw it, it was at 50% off. Then when I went back today, it's 70% off. They used to go to 90% off before, but unfortunately they don't do that anymore, so I went ahead and bought it for 70% off. I think still a good deal. It's a wired keyboard, and regularly you pay $49.99 for this keyboard, regular price. I got it for $14.99, so it's a good deal, I think, my own opinion. Anyway, this is not a review, this is just a deal find video. I'm gonna open it up, see what's inside, maybe demo it a little bit, and that's it. It's gonna be a short one. And here's the UPC code. Let's see if you can see the UPC code. So this keyboard, it comes up as PC accessory. It doesn't come out as a keyboard when you scan it from Target. So this thing is returnable till next year, till 1/24/2023. So I got, what is that? Today's October. 3 months. I get 3 months to play with this thing. If I have issue, I have 3 months to return it, which is pretty cool. It's kind of strange that it gives me 3 months to play with this thing, and returnable after 3 months. I mean before 3-month period. Alright, let's open this up and hopefully it works. Right, so here's the keyboard. Let's cut this open. Nicely packaged. And the wire is over here, the USB. I'll put, if I find out the description, I mean the length of the cable, I'll put it in the description below. There's the manual, and it comes with a sticker. And it has some armrest over here. Don't do this box anymore. So yes, little stand. Looks plasticky, but it's fine. And here it is. So this thing is attached. Yep, that's my dog snoring. You can hear it. That's nice dog though. Alright, so let me plug this in and hopefully it works. So I plugged in my this is my original keyboard. This is my Superman keyboard. Superman Returns. I've been using this keyboard for the last, what, 15 years. I think Superman Returns were like 2005, so I had this for a long time. Still going strong. And this is the new keyboard. This is the Logitech one. The color changes. Now it's orange, green, blue, green again. So how many colors is that? So you got blue, or maybe purple, this purple, red, orange, green. Alright, so this is the Logitech G213 keyboard I got from Target for $14.99. Not bad, it's a nice keyboard. Plasticky but nice, it looks sturdy. And there's a joystick function here. What is this? Oh, okay, you can turn up the light if you want. You got mute. So you get mute, up and down, volume, turn up the power or not. I mean, turn up the lights. Joystick mode. What does it do? I don't know. Nice. We're not bad for 14 bucks. Right, that's it. I only paid $14.99 for this keyboard. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hopefully this helps you guys to find this deal. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.